All right, guys, we were gifted an awesome new sleeping pad. As you can see, we do a lot of tent camping. It is 100-mile-an-hour winds outside, so we are going to be doing a quick review on the inside here. Let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we are working with. First and foremost, comes with a carrying bag. I think it's super important. I will say it's a little bit on the heavier side, so just notate that this is one that you're going to take and you're more like a setup camp versus that hiking style thing. In my opinion, they do make some lighter weight ones. So let's go ahead and open it up here. This is a velvet version, I do believe. It is pretty big. Opening it up. So you got a little bit of information here, how to inflate, all the information on it, and it shows you how to deflate as well. So before inflating, please close the air valve and then open the valve inflate by stamping on the air pump. So there is a way to make this happen. So here we
So full or twin?
So this is a standard single size, and I do like that it has the velvet on it. I think that's really nice. So with the velvet, it makes it super comfortable on here, which I'm digging because it gives you a much lighter feel to it, in my opinion. So how to inflate? So here we go. It says before inflating, please close the air valve on the pillow. So we are going to close the air valve on the pillow right here. And you can stomp on this end. Here we go. So we're going to close this other end up. So you have two sections. Close this end up. We're going to do that. Now this one is a stomp version, which makes it kind of cool. Just like so. So all you do is multiple times, you're able to go here, and you can already see it pumping up.
Might as well practice your CPR while you're
It's kind of like doing CPR. So it's going to take a minute, but... All right, so I've been doing this for about a minute, but you can see super simple. Now, typically you can stand up, but we got the little baby tent here, so you can see easily pumping itself without any problems. And we are almost to the top. All right, so here we have it. That's gonna be on the foot. Let's go ahead and turn it around. And I'm gonna show you how nice and comfortable this is, obviously. So super firm mattress. You see it's pretty firm here. Okay. Now I'm gonna fit in here with no problems. And let's see what she feels like. This is really comfortable. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the typical mattress is about yay thick. You know, like inch and a half. But with the velvet, this is almost like getting a regular blow-up mattress and having it out. I could actually see myself camping on this without any problems whatsoever. So super comfortable, fits perfect, about 6 foot tall, perfect room, no issues. Now let me go ahead and show you from a deflating standpoint, super simple to happen. The deflation is not on the foot area. You can obviously open that up, but you're not going to be able to deflate it from that direction. So you kind of flip it around to the other side. I'm going to show you that. Whoops. Show you that over here. So deflate, you're going to come from this side. And look how fast that goes down. Very simple. So you fold it up, and you're good to go. This thing's awesome. Definitely got to check it out.